Welcome to Think Money. How to make money online. Maybe you want to replace a full-time job or are looking for a side hustle. Here are genuine ways of how to make money online. Whatever reason you need to make money fast, here are the best ways to go about it. You can earn quick cash easily from home and can make a decent income, which can be a huge help when budgets are tight. Online surveys. Paid for searching the web. Start a blog. Review websites and apps for cash. Get paid to play games. Flip domain names. Get paid to watch videos. Become a reseller. Flip items. Get paid to make videos on YouTube. Publish an ebook. Sell things online with dropshipping. Start a clothing business. Online tutoring. Most blogs start as a small idea and get big. You can make money through advertising, sponsorship, an affiliate program, or why not go on to create your own products to sell to your audience. Whether you have your own YouTube channel, have a few followers on Instagram, TikTok or Twitter, one easy way you can make money is with affiliate marketing. You can make immediate money by promoting the services or products from another company, whether it be food, clothes or switching energy companies directly through your social media accounts. When someone clicks on your link and buys something, you will earn a commission. Ever hate how a website or app works but don't think you can do anything about it? Well, that can now change. You're not only able to share your thoughts, the good and bad, about websites and apps, but you can also get paid for your thoughts. Usertesting.com. Earn $4 for every 5-minute test, $10 United States dollars for every 20-minute test, and between $30 USD to $120 USD for live interviews. Userlytics.com. Earn between $5 and $90, depending on the project. Intellizoom.com. Earn between $2 and $10 per study. Usefeel.com. Earn $10 for each test. Betafamily.com. Earn between $5 and $20 per test. Furpection.com. Earn between $10 to $20 per test. There are places you can make money online and you simply play games. Start off with Swagbucks, Tuluna and Inbox Pounds, which are some of my favorites. The sites pay you via PayPal, or you can pick different gift cards instead. Anyone with a smartphone has a pretty decent camera in the hand, so you can take some stunning photos or even boring ones. If they sell, does it matter what you're taking photos of? Sell images to stock photography websites like Shutterstock or iStockPhoto. When they sell your photos, you earn royalties, although it may only be a few pennies at a time. Flip domain names. Good money can be made by buying and selling domain names. You don't need to have an actual website. You initially buy a .com, .co.uk or even a .net that haven't been registered but you think someone may really want, and just hold on to them. Get paid to watch videos. Join sites like the Irazu website and the Wear8 app that pay you for watching videos. Flip items. The resale market is worth billions, so why not get in on the act? All you need to do is buy low and sell high, which all sounds easy enough. Get paid to make videos on YouTube. If you're happy being on the other side of the camera, why not make money with YouTube? You can get started for free with the camera on your phone. You can earn cash online from people watching the content you create through advertising revenue. As soon as you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start monetizing on YouTube. Oh, and subscribe to us, pretty please. As your channel grows, and you have more content, the extra money you make will simply scale at the same time. Publish an ebook. You can make money online by self-publishing and selling a digital book via sites like Amazon. As soon as your books start to sell from online sites, you'll make money immediately. Sell things online with dropshipping. Running an online store might seem like it's about holding stock and spending your life in the queue at the post office, but you could consider dropshipping as a way to make extra cash from home. The idea is that a third party holds the stock, you promote the item via an online shop, and when it sells, the third party sends it to the end customers. What makes owning a dropshipping store good as a new business idea is that you don't need to purchase any stock in advance, so the setup costs are a lot cheaper. Online tutoring. Since more people are used to using their internet access for schooling and work now, they are keener and understand the benefits of online tutoring. There are plenty of freelance jobs or a part-time job there, but there is nothing stopping you from building up to full-time hours. Also, Check out teaching English online as another way to start making money online. Teaching people online is a great way of making money in your spare time. A tried and tested example of this is Cambly. Link in description to get started. Best part about Cambly is you get paid weekly into PayPal. Link in description to get started.